on our deck on White Rock Beach, and as you can see, we have a stressed seagull out here. Trapped on the deck. The glass, she's confused, or he's confused, and thinks that he should be able to fly through the glass, but he can't. So I'm going to perform a rescue. I have the gloves on to perform the rescue. Wendy's going to hold the camera while I go out and attempt to save this precious creature.
Poor thing.
Out of the way now. Let the professional take care of things here.
I might just have to dash back inside, though, I'm thinking.
Okay, sweetie. Let's try to help you out here. I'm going to try to help you out. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's okay. It's alright. It's alright. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. You can't get out that way, sweetie.
Doesn't look like it really wants to be helped. Was it screaming at you?
It's got a broken beak.
Oh, no wonder. It's probably been bashing into the...
You want me to help you, sweetie?
Just grab it and throw it.
I can help you.
Aw. Just see if you can pick her up and help her fly.
Here, let me try to help you, sweetie. Let me try to help you. Try to help you. Can I help you? Don't hurt you. I wonder if I use a... Do you have a broom?
A broom?
Well,
Yeah, sure. What to lift her up with?
I'm not going to hurt you. I'm not going to hurt you.
She doesn't believe you.
Come here.
Told you we should have moved the chairs.
All right, let's try to get you. I'm not going to hurt you. Come here. I'm not going to hurt you.
There.
I'm not going to hurt you.
You got her. That. Yay! And she's off.
All right, another animal saved here in White Rock Beach. Yay! Stay tuned next week when we'll have a large North American gannet landing here. You just never know what will happen here on White Rock Beach, ladies.